Have you ever wondered about female squirting orgasms? Are you curious to know what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can help your partner experience them? If yes, then you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to uncover all the secrets to this fascinating topic. Today we'll dive into everything you need to know about female squirting, what it is, the science behind it, and the step-by-step process to help your partner reach this unique orgasmic state. Understanding female squirting. Female squirting remains a mystery for many. While most people are familiar with male ejaculation and clitoral orgasms, few realize the depth of a woman's orgasmic potential. Women are capable of experiencing multiple types of orgasms, and squirting is one of the most intriguing. Squirting occurs when the G-spot is stimulated intensely, causing a release of liquid from the urethral sponge, a spongy area surrounding the urethra. This liquid, often mistaken for urine, is not the same. It's secreted by the Squirting glands, which are part of the female anatomy and serve a unique purpose during G-spot orgasms. Squirting liquid is typically clear or slightly milky and lacks the distinct smell of urine. It's a natural response of the body when this sensitive area is stimulated to its fullest. Understanding this helps remove the taboo or awkwardness associated with squirting, allowing both partners to relax and fully embrace the experience. Now that we've covered the basics, let's break down how to create the perfect environment and technique to help your partner enjoy a squirting orgasm. Step 1. Preparing for the experience. Preparation is key when attempting to help your partner achieve a squirting orgasm. Start by ensuring she's comfortable and ready for the experience. First, encourage her to empty her bladder. Many women feel an urge to urinate during G-spot stimulation due to the area's proximity to the bladder. This can create unnecessary tension if she's holding back. By emptying her bladder beforehand, she can fully relax and focus on the sensations. Additionally, set the stage for a worry-free experience. Lay down towels or blankets to protect your bed or surface. Squirting can release a significant amount of liquid, so being prepared prevents distractions and ensures both of you can stay in the moment. Most importantly, talk to her. Let her know there's no pressure to perform or achieve squirting. Reassure her that the focus is on mutual pleasure, not an outcome. If she feels relaxed and supported, she's more likely to let go and enjoy the experience. Step 2. Building arousal. Arousal is the foundation of any orgasmic experience. Before diving into G-spot stimulation, spend ample time awakening her senses. Stroke her body gently, exploring her erogenous zones like her breasts, inner thighs, and lower abdomen. Focus on her clitoris, as this area plays a crucial role in building her sexual energy. Use your fingers, tongue, or sex toys to provide consistent stimulation. The goal here is to create a strong sexual charge in her body, allowing her to feel deeply aroused and receptive. As her arousal builds, you'll notice changes in her body. Her breathing will deepen, her moans will intensify, and her genital area will become visibly engorged due to increased blood flow. These are clear signs she's ready for more intense stimulation. Remember, patience is crucial. Rushing through this stage can make the process less enjoyable for her. Take your time, paying attention to her responses and cues. The more relaxed and aroused she feels, the closer you'll be to unlocking the magic of squirting. Step 3. Locating and stimulating the G-spot. Now comes the exciting part, stimulating her G-spot. This area is located on the upper wall of the vagina, approximately 2 inches inside toward her belly. To find it, use 1 or 2 fingers and explore the vaginal canal. The G-spot has a distinct texture, often described as ridged or spongy, similar to the roof of your mouth. Once you locate it, begin with gentle, rhythmic motions. You can use circular strokes, a back-and-forth pressing motion, or the popular come-hither technique. Start slow, allowing her body to adjust to the sensation. Over time, increase the pressure and speed of your movements. As you stimulate her G-spot, you'll notice it becoming more engorged and swollen under your fingers. This is a sign that liquid is building up in her urethral sponge. At this point, you can also add clitoral stimulation using your thumb or a vibrator to amplify her arousal. Step 4. Encouraging release. As her arousal peaks, she may feel an intense urge to pee. This is completely normal, and a sign that she's close to squirting. Encourage her to let go and push through the sensation rather than holding back. Remind her that this experience is about surrendering to pleasure. If she tenses her muscles, it can inhibit the release. Instead, she should focus on relaxing and allowing her body to respond naturally. When the moment arrives, stay consistent with your touch. Don't pull away or change the rhythm, as this can disrupt her flow. Continue stimulating her G-spot and clitoris, guiding her deeper into her climax. Step 5. Incorporating lubrication and tools. While natural lubrication often increases with arousal, it's essential to ensure that your partner is as comfortable and relaxed as possible. If needed, use a high-quality water-based lubricant to reduce friction during G-spot stimulation. This not only prevents discomfort, but also allows for smoother movements, which is crucial when building towards a squirting orgasm. Lubrication helps maintain consistent pressure and rhythm, which are essential for stimulating the urethral sponge effectively. Make sure to apply enough lubricant to your fingers and the vaginal opening before starting. As you work towards building her arousal, pay attention to her verbal and physical cues. If she seems uncomfortable or needs a break, pause and adjust accordingly. For couples open to experimenting, incorporating tools like G-spot vibrators or curved dildos can enhance the experience. These toys are specifically designed to target the G-spot with precision, making it easier to maintain steady stimulation. Vibrations can also amplify the intensity of sensations, helping your partner reach a heightened state of arousal. Remember, communication is key. Always check with your partner before introducing any tools to ensure she's comfortable and enthusiastic about using them. The goal is to create a safe and pleasurable environment where both of you can explore new sensations together. Step 6. Aftercare and emotional connection. Aftercare is a crucial, yet often overlooked part of the experience. Once your partner has experienced a squirting orgasm, take time to nurture and comfort her. Physical experiences like this can leave a person feeling vulnerable or emotionally charged, so it's important to provide reassurance and closeness. Offer her water or a snack to help her rehydrate and recover. Cuddling, gentle massages, or simply holding her can deepen your emotional bond and help her feel cherished. Discussing the experience afterward can also strengthen your connection. Ask her how she felt, what she enjoyed the most, and if there's anything she'd like to try differently in the future. Celebrating her achievements in a positive and non-judgmental way is essential. Let her know how amazing and beautiful she is for allowing herself to explore this intimate experience with you. Such affirmations foster trust and intimacy, making her more open to future explorations. Additionally, cleaning up together can be a simple yet meaningful act of togetherness. Helping her feel cared for and comfortable ensures that the experience ends on a high note, leaving both of you eager to continue exploring new aspects of your relationship. Squirting is an extraordinary experience that requires trust, patience, and communication between partners. While not every woman will squirt, the journey of exploration is just as rewarding as the outcome. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever made a woman squirt? Let me know. I love reading and responding to your stories. Thank you for watching till the end. Here's to many more pleasurable and intimate moments in your life. I'll see you in the next video.